Good morning. My name is James Silbers. I'm the founder and director of Silber CIC. We work with families, teenagers with behavioural issues, and we're also a social enterprise. So what we're getting into now is selling Greenwood furniture made by the long-term unemployed and mental health, and so what we want to do is upskill people and basically give them a purpose and a bit of money in their pocket. Oh yeah, we also do an early intervention program at Pembroke Dock Community School with parents that are struggling with their children. All right, Merry Christmas. Later. Bye-bye.